Referral platforms versus loyalty software. Which one is better for customer acquisition? Every business wants more customers, but how you incentivize them matters. Should you invest in referral platforms or loyalty software? Most brands assume loyalty programs automatically drive new users, but that's not always the case. Referral platforms are designed to turn your existing customers into advocates. They reward people for bringing in friends or colleagues, often with discounts, credits, or other perks. For example, a subscription box service might offer a free month for every friend who signs up. The power of referrals lies in trust. People are far more likely to try a product recommended by someone they know. Referral programs directly target acquisition because every reward is tied to a new customer. Loyalty software, on the other hand, focuses on retaining and engaging existing customers. Point systems, tiered rewards, and VIP perks keep people coming back. While loyal customers may occasionally refer friends, the primary goal is retention, not acquisition. Think of a coffee chain rewarding frequent buyers with free drinks. It strengthens loyalty, but doesn't automatically bring in new customers. The surprising truth: loyalty keeps customers, but referrals grow your base. One maximizes retention, the other fuels acquisition. So which is better for acquiring new customers? If your goal is growth, referral platforms have a clear edge. They create a network effect where every satisfied customer becomes a potential marketer. For maximum impact, some companies integrate loyalty and referral programs, reward repeat purchases while simultaneously incentivizing referrals. This dual approach ensures you retain current users while continuously attracting new ones. In short, acquisition thrives when existing customers become advocates. Referral platforms make that process easy, measurable, and scalable, turning happy users into a growth engine.